Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is English 9A lesson number 2, and I just want to go through what we're doing today for class. So I'm going to get this pen here and show you what's happening. So attendance check-in, that's SAT word of the day. The word is unprecedented. We heard it a lot through quarantine. We heard it a lot during this pandemic, so I figured what better way to start the 2020 school year than with this word. So please do that in the first 10 minutes of class to get checked in and ready to go. Now, the no writing class codes, we got to make sure the very next thing we got to do today is make sure we're checked in on no red ink. Make sure your account is made. Make sure you're in the correct class. The codes are here. And then we're going to take this no red ink diagnostic test. Okay, this helps me see where you're at in English, and also gives us a point to start for our growth. Okay, so we're going to take that today. Then we're going to set up our writer's notebook. There is a screen recording video of how to do that on Notability, and I already did one for you. And then we're going to do our successful student assignment in our writer's notebook. And I'm going to click on that so you guys can see what it is. I have an example for you too. I'll put my example of it in here. Maybe it is in here. I don't know. It's not in here yet. But all right. So after reading the syllabus, the discipline policy, the etiquette, and just the expectations for this class, I want you, for your first writer's notebook assignment, is that you'll be writing what it means to be a successful student, in particular in this class. And so, in your own words, I want you to explain what you believe it takes to be successful in this English class, what you personally do to help yourself succeed in class, state a goal you have, how you believe you'll accomplish this goal, how can I help you reach this goal, because you know I'm going to hold you to a high standard. I already told you guys that. So make sure you clearly explain each bullet point. This is a chance to help you think about how you want to be successful this school year in general as a 9th grader. And this is your first writing grade. So please don't just slap down an answer. Pay attention to detail. Please make sure that you're capitalizing, punctuation, everything in between. I will get you guys eventually a writing rubric for this. For this first one, we're just going to see where you're at, and then we'll go back to it. All right, so after you complete that successful student assignment, and honestly, with our diagnostic test and this assignment, that's probably all we're going to have time for today. If you have time, we're going to take this expectation review. If not, it'll be homework. It's like 12 questions just about what's expected of you and so on and so forth. Then you do got some homework this weekend. Sorry, we're in English class. You do have some homework this weekend. Still got that summer lingo happening. Make sure you're turning in that signed syllabus. You got a quick rules definition assignment. This is just for me to help you be successful, even more successful in here. I want to hear what my rules in my classroom mean to you. Like, you define them for yourself. Give an example of what they could be in the classroom. And then you also have a letter to your 12th grade self assignment. I'll make this due, I think it says on Tuesday, but I'm going to make this due on Wednesday so you have a little bit of extra time. You can write it and put it in an envelope and write your name on it, or you can submit it electronically. I encourage you, take this seriously, because I'm going to click on this here. When you're a 12th grader and you're getting ready to graduate and you're preparing for college or whatever you're planning to do, going into the workforce, going into the armed forces, really whatever you're planning to do, it's going to be really cool to look back on 2020 9th grade English and say, oh my word, look how far I've come. So please, look at these bullet points, write a letter to yourself, and I'm going to hand this to you or mail it to you. Hopefully I'm still teaching here the day you graduate, if not close to the day you graduate. So that's your homework for the weekend, but also note that that's going to be due on Wednesday, because I want you to take your time on it. If you have any questions, please email me. Good luck.